Hello, everybody. Today we will here to provide you a simple but gorgeous full customizable PSD cover image for your YouTube channel. You can use it for your Facebook pages also. At first, download the PSD file from this video's description box. Double-click on the downloaded file. It automatically takes you to Adobe Photoshop. Go to File, then pick your image. After that, select Object Selection tool from here. Then tap on Select Subject. See, AI of Photoshop select your image automatically, but sometimes it doesn't work properly. So then you have to fix the selection manually. See, this part of the hand is not selected correctly. Let's fix this now. To remove more, select the third option from here. Then select Unwanted Area roughly. To increase the area of selection, select second option from here. Then select Wanted Area roughly. Although I didn't need the full picture, I showed you how to make the right selection so that you don't have to face any hassles during your work. Select amount of feather 3 or 4. Press Ctrl+J for make a separate layer from the selection. Then drag the layer on the downloaded PSD file. Zoom out the project. Then press Ctrl+T for active transform. After that, reposition your image layer by holding Shift key. Go to Layer panel. Then hide the layer from here, named as Subject. If you want to hide the ruler, go to View, then unmark Extras. Double tap on those text layer, then edit as your demand. Put here your channel's tagline. Add here your channel name in the same way. Customize more as you like. Or you can follow me. After Customize all text, select Brush tool. Make size 1000 and hardness 0. Leave those amount as shown. Pick a bluish color to match the background. Just click one time under the picked subject's image. That's all. Now export the project at PNG format for better resolution. See, here is the final output. For today, that's all. Subscribe us for more. Remember, tech passion fuels us. Join our geeky community for an immersive tech experience.